In this video, we're taking you on a tour of one of the most iconic hotels on the Las Vegas Strip, the MGM Grand. Opened in 1993, it is celebrated for its grand scale, vibrant entertainment options, and world-class amenities. Boasting over 6,800 rooms, it ranks among the largest hotels in the world and features a sprawling casino spanning more than 170,000 square feet. Greeting guests at the main entrance is the massive bronze lion statue, a signature landmark and symbol of strength and grandeur that sets the tone for the extraordinary experience awaiting inside. As we enter the grand lobby, our eyes immediately focused on the golden lion statue, a smaller version of the outdoor lion which symbolizes good fortune and serves as a popular photo op for visitors. Check-in was a quick and pleasant experience as the staff was friendly and accommodated our request to be placed on the same floor as our friends who arrived earlier in the day. Here's a quick tip. There's a separate VIP lounge check-in for guests with Noir and Platinum status with MGM. Before continuing with the tour, I want to take a minute to tell you guys how we saved money on our stay here at the MGM Grand by using Planin.com. Planin.com is a new booking website that partners with familiar platforms like Booking.com, Agoda, and Priceline to bring you even more discounts on different hotels from all over the world. For example, let's look at pricing for MGM Grand Las Vegas for an overnight stay for 2 adults on May 24th to 25th using Planin.com. Let's select a Studio King room with free cancellation up to 3 days before arrival. The total comes out to $344.58 after taxes and fees. Now, let's compare the exact same room to the rates on the MGM website. The total comes out to $378.75. As you can see, Planin.com saves you 9% for the exact same room. So what's the catch? You have to be a Planin member and logged in to be able to access these discounts. But the best part is that being a member is completely free. All you have to do is sign up for a free account and be logged in to Planin to access these discounts. If you sign up using our referral link in the description or scanning the QR code, you really help out our channel and allow us to bring you more hotel videos like this. Now let's get back to our tour. Now let's make our way to our room on the 16th floor. Let's take a look at room 16138 here at the MGM Grand in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is a Staywell 2-queen room. So as soon as you walk in, is a nice bathroom. It has a single sink and a nice backlit mirror. And here's a shower with a tub. That's a nice bathroom. Now let's make our way to the bedroom. But over here, here's the closet. There's the iron and ironing board. And we got most of our luggage here already, so it's okay. It's like a decent space to store all your stuff. So here's the 2 queen beds. And a TV. It's not that big and it's like an older TV, but that's fine. Some storage drawers here. Some water, but those are all for a fee. And this fridge, everything here is also for a fee. And let's see what they have over here. That looks like a Philips, it has a light where it turns on and off. You can actually set it for like sunrise, so it'll wake you up slowly. And over here, some more storage drawers. There's a safe right there. And there's a plug on this lamp for charging your stuff. Here's the nice office desk. It's a glass office desk. If you need to do any work. And a sitting area for two. Let's see if we can see our view here, or I might have to turn the lights off, but yeah, it's hard to see it, but I'll have a cut here so you can see the view when the lights are off. So I turn the lights off, and this is our view. You can see the top golf over there, and we have a nice clear view of the sphere over there. So that's pretty cool. But overall, it's a decent room here at the MGM Grand in Las Vegas, Nevada. The contemporary Japanese design of Morimoto Las Vegas seamlessly blends refined Japanese aesthetics with modern elegance. This stunning restaurant features creative Japanese fusion dishes by Iron Chef Masaharu Morimoto and is open daily for dinner. Emerald's New Orleans Fish House offers a vibrant dining experience that showcases Chef Emerald Lagasse's new New Orleans style of cooking, a contemporary twist on classic Creole dishes. It's open daily for dinner. Tom Colicchio's Craft Steak is an upscale steakhouse focused on elevating the flavors of meticulously sourced meats, sustainable seafood, and fresh produce. The menu emphasizes wood-grilled and roasted preparations, allowing the ingredients to shine in their purest forms. It's open daily for dinner. Hakkasan Restaurant is one of the best fine dining experiences in Las Vegas. The menu features innovative Cantonese cuisine, cocktails, and an extensive wine selection. The restaurant is elegantly divided by intricately carved wooden latticework, reminiscent of the rich and glamorous interiors of the flagship restaurant in London. It's open daily for dinner. Lucchini Italian Restaurant offers a modern twist on classic Italian-American cuisine inspired by New York flavors. The menu features handmade pastas, pizzas, salads, and timeless dishes served in a welcoming and lively atmosphere. It's open daily for dinner. Wolfgang Puck Bar and Grill offers a modern take on the traditional bar and grill concept. The restaurant serves comfort food favorites like wood-fired pizzas, choice cuts from the grill, and a small bites menu. It's open daily for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Joël Robuchon is a 3 Michelin star restaurant renowned for its impeccable French cuisine, blending traditional techniques with modern elegance. Winner of Forbes 5-star, AAA 5 Diamond, and Wine Spectator's Grand Award, this experience will be one of the finest meals of your life. La Terrier de Joël Robuchon is a unique restaurant concept where every meal is prepared right before your eyes. This fine dining establishment offers a modern French menu featuring both a la carte options and tasting menus. International Smoke, a collaboration between celebrity chef Michael Mina and Aisha Curry, brings a global approach to barbecue and wood-fired cuisine to Las Vegas. This dynamic restaurant celebrates the art of grilling, smoking, and bold flavors from around the world. It's open daily for dinner. Nelly's Southern Kitchen celebrates comfort food and serves signature dishes such as chicken and dumplings, pulled pork sandwich, chicken and waffles, shrimp and grits, biscuits with gravy, and other soul-satisfying dishes made with love and authenticity. Crush American Grill offers a diverse menu featuring American classics such as steaks, seafood, wood-fired pizzas, and pasta, complemented by handcrafted cocktails and an extensive wine collection. It's open daily for dinner. Grand Wok Noodle Bar specializes in traditional Asian cuisine, offering a variety of dishes such as wok tossed noodles, black pepper beef, fresh seafood, tofu, and pot stickers. It's open daily for lunch and dinner. Greek Sneak Mediterranean Grill offers a vibrant dining experience that captures the essence of the Mediterranean. If you have a big appetite, MGM Grand Buffet offers a diverse selection of cuisines from around the world and is open daily for breakfast, lunch, as well as a weekend mimosa brunch. Blizz Frozen Yogurt and Desserts goes beyond the self-serve frozen yogurt concept by offering a wide selection of frozen yogurt creations and other delights like smoothies and crepes. If you're looking for a quick bite, stop by the spacious food court, which has a variety of options to satisfy all tastes. The MGM Grand boasts an array of vibrant bars, each offering a unique experience to match any mood or occasion. From stylish cocktail lounges to lively sports bars, there's something for everyone. Sip on expertly crafted drinks at the sophisticated lobby bar, immerse yourself in the high-energy atmosphere at Centrifuge, catch the game while enjoying a cold beer at the top sports bar, enjoy live music and southern hospitality at Loser's Bar. Level Up is an interactive adult playground featuring virtual reality experiences, table games, and bars. And sip on a variety of whiskeys while playing video poker at Whiskey Down. For those looking for the ultimate nightlife experience, step inside Hakkasan Nightclub, a top-tier venue featuring world-class DJs and performances in a stunning atmosphere. MGM Grand features a variety of entertainment options, including Ka by Cirque du Soleil, The Magic of David Copperfield, the mesmerizing dance moves of the Jabbawockeez, which we really enjoyed, and a variety of comedic acts to special comedy events by renowned comedians throughout the year. The BetMGM Sportsbook is the ultimate destination for sports enthusiasts in Las Vegas. It offers seating for 104 guests and has 36 65-inch screens and 24 42-inch TVs, so you don't miss any sports events going on all around the world. Topgolf is a premier entertainment destination offering a blend of golf, dining, and leisure activities for families. The facility spans 4 levels and encompasses 120 climate-controlled hitting bays, each equipped with HD TVs and comfortable lounge seating, accommodating up to 6 players per bay. MGM Grand Garden Arena is a world-renowned venue celebrated for hosting a wide variety of events, from electrifying concerts to thrilling sports spectacles. It has established itself as a cornerstone of Las Vegas entertainment. Unfortunately for us, the MGM Grand Pool Complex was closed for renovation. It measures a massive 6.5 acres of pure paradise, which has 4 swimming pools, 3 whirlpools, waterfalls, and a lazy river. For an elevated experience, private cabanas are available for reservation. Wet Republic is the hotel's premier day club, which was also closed for the season. The resort also features a fitness center with plenty of cardio equipment, a full-service salon, and a luxurious spa for the ultimate in relaxation. If you're looking to do some shopping, there's no need to leave the hotel, as the MGM Grand offers a variety of shopping options that cater to both luxury seekers and those looking for unique souvenirs. From high-end boutiques to specialty shops, the selection ensures that guests can find something special to commemorate their stay. The hotel has direct access to the monorail system, which makes it easy and convenient to get around the Las Vegas Strip. We had a great stay at the MGM Grand. Our Staywell 2-queen room was spacious and comfortable, providing plenty of room for the 4 of us to relax. While the pools were closed for maintenance during our visit, there were still plenty of activities to enjoy. We explored a variety of dining options, attended exciting nightly entertainment shows, tried our luck on the massive casino floor, and even checked out Topgolf. We highly recommend the MGM Grand for families who prefer to stay on the property and take advantage of a wide range of amenities without needing to leave the hotel. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.